This short clip is from my live trading room. You can engage directly with my fabulous team and me at LaDucTrading.com for all our research and trades. Or for just my daily live streams, you can access via YouTube memberships. All links are in the description. Bottom in tech. So they had a massive 4 standard deviation degrossing by funds, hedge funds. They degrossed. And momentum obviously fell big time. IGV, the software SaaS components. Yesterday, it was insurance plays that took a header because of, again, another Claude plugin or release, what have you. And so we are having sector by sector, who is next? We also had some massive reflexive bounce on Friday, which triggered a Bank of America over bought indicator. Happened to find this on the market ear for those who have that. That was interesting. And we already saw kind of some short covering that triggered on U.S. single stocks. This was as of February 5th, but you get the idea. And then basically this factor rotation, which I study, was a massive explosion similar to 2021. So we had a disorderly unwind of leadership. So we're talking SaaS plays. So we had extremes across the board from hedge fund de-risking to this short covering to this FOMO chase. And basically, all in all, we still have this very option driven market and positioning that was off sides into the dump and then recovering up off the dump. And one of the reasons why I thought we had fundamental kind of trigger is a very strong bond sale from Oracle. So extremely important that credit leads equities, if you will. Equity is now for Oracle on some very strong support. And you can see that with Oracle right here. We have this lovely little 200-week EMA. It crashed, kind of capitulation selling onto a trend line, ironically, right on monthly support. So we had a massive amount of support right here. And then on Friday, it stopped going down, formed a bullish harami, and then gapped up yesterday and ran and is still running. And the same thing corresponds with IGV, which is, remember we talked about this, right down into a fib level for IGV, which is your SaaS software sector at 1618 fib level. Right at that 80, we had Friday consolidation, which is a bullish harami, and then follow through. So you can see what's happening. They're trying to get going. Now, I also showed you this, which is important, that growth value ratio, which had beautifully played out for our tech shorts value longs. And then this is what happened on Friday. We kind of stabilized right here at this 2.025. And you can see, I'm going to show you the next chart, right? This is Friday's because it's the 6th. Anyway, how we had on the 9th, a push higher. Let me show you right here. Can you see this? Beautiful. So right on support, technical support of 2.025, we had a growth bounce mostly in software, not Mag 7. So let me kind of show you that. Mag 7 is still, as a ratio, which is the cap weighting stuff, is still weak. And on a monthly, it's still weak. Hasn't rolled over, but that's what I'm obviously tracking for a pull down. And we got a lot of excitement in NYSE. I'm going to show you some intermarket charts of NYSE next. There's nothing here to do. It's just bullish up and to the right. Gorgeous. No 10 and 21 rollover. When it consolidates, it moves higher, then it consolidates. I think we're going to move into a consolidation phase next. Consolidation phase next is my baseline bet for NYSE. I'll show you that in a little bit. In the meantime, we've had XLB sectors, beautiful. XLE, beautiful. This is from the beginning of the year. As far as ETFs, from my intermarket analysis, and I'll show you these updated wonky little ways that I could tell that these plays were going to outperform SPX. Remember that? So I had XLP is going to outperform SPX, yada, yada, yada. Man, has that worked. So we're still in it. There's no question, but I think we're going to get into the consolidation phase next. Okay, that is the strength that you see right here underneath the market. And then my value plays recommended from late November to now are still working. These ETFs that are surely value, large cap value, because now everyone's going, hey, we got an industrial revolution. Some of the ISM and PMI and production and trucking and all kinds of indicators are coming in now, after it's already run. I mean, look at this. We got this here in the 400 week. So anyway, now everyone's going, oh, everything's fine. Everything's fine because we're going to have an industrial renaissance. And they're saying, buy all the Halo, whatever the heck Halo stands for. Heavy asset. I don't know. Anyway, the point is, it's all part of my boomer stocks are the next inflationary asset. So now that everyone's catching on to this, be careful. This is exactly when it goes into consolidation phase. 100%. I know this guy. Now, big picture, it's still bullish for the year. Like this is a massive theme. I'm just saying right now, a lot of these stocks and ETFs are above their skis. They're still going to be in play because now funds have noticed it. I caught it early. I got early intermarket tells. But now they're like, ooh, so any dip is likely to get bought.
Join Club today to engage with Samantha and her team of 10 experts. Scan this QR code or click the link in the description. Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more live trading room recap videos and other content.